Hello, I'm Chris Evers from the Florida Pavement Preservation Council. I want to let you know about an upcoming webinar series we will be providing in partnership with the Florida LTAP Center called Pavement Management, Plan, Development, and Implementation, Preservation and Beyond. The course is divided into 5 separate 1.5-hour webinar sessions and will provide attendees a thorough introduction to pavement preservation strategies and their merits. We will focus on the various types of pavement preservation techniques, as well as successful forms of planning and programming to implement effective pavement preservation strategies in any organization. I've been involved in the pavement preservation industry for 25 years and now serve as the executive coordinator of FPPC. I will be joined by Larry Galehouse, who founded the National Center for Pavement Preservation and is truly a pioneer in the preservation industry. Together, we will lead attendees on a deep dive into how to better preserve their infrastructure investment. We hope you will join us for this brand new Florida LTAP webinar series tailored to help you navigate the challenge of maintaining our critical transportation infrastructure in the post-COVID world.